Let's dive into the art of writing the best CV personal profile. Your personal profile, also known as a personal statement or CV summary, is a brief introduction at the top of your CV that showcases your key attributes and career goals in 4 to 6 lines. The opening statement should grab the attention of employers and set you apart from other applicants. It's your first chance to make an impression on your potential employer, so it's crucial to get this right. It's crucial to be concise and target your profile for the specific job you're applying for. Tailor your CV personal profile to match the requirements of the position and show how your skills align with the company's needs. Be specific and use concrete examples to support your capabilities. Focus on showcasing your unique value. Highlight what sets you apart from other candidates and what makes you an asset to the company. Don't get caught out with a generic personal profile, but make sure it showcases your unique qualities and expertise. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job description to increase your chances of success. These keywords will show that you possess the skills and qualifications the employer is looking for. Employers, hiring managers, and recruiters can scan hundreds of CVs. Lastly, don't forget to mention your career goals. Employers appreciate candidates with clear aspirations aligned with the company's mission. Here are some quick do's and don'ts. Do: write a powerful opening sentence. Use concise and professional language. Show enthusiasm and passion. Don't: write a generic summary. Neglect spelling and grammar. Overload with irrelevant information. Remember, keep it targeted, showcase your unique value, use relevant keywords, and highlight your career goals. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are job hunting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable career advice.